we learn how we draw a circle with a given radius and what the meaning of a radius. Today I want to draw, as you see, a circle of radius 4 centimeters. The opening of the compass is 4. Did you see? I will draw a circle of 4 centimeters as a radius. Its name is MC, as you want. I will name it by M. I have here. Okay, I will name it by M between parentheses. So, you said for me that the radius is a segment whose extremities are the center and a point on the circle. I will mark a point here. I will call A. Okay? I will get my ruler and I will join this one, A, passing through O. Just watch, okay? Here we are, the second point here. I will name it B. I will make a line from A to B and passing through O. Before continue, who wants to tell me what is the measure of AB? Here we are, look at the ruler. So the radius is 4. Let me write the given horn. Yeah. Circle C, center O. This writing that means circle C, center O, radius 4 centimeters. This writing means the first word is center, the second one is what? 4 centimeters, but the name of the circle is M. I will write it outside. Who wants to tell me what is the length of AB as you see here in the figure? Yes, Fatima Zaidan.
Miss, it's 8 centimeters.
8 centimeters. So, what we can say about a relation between the 4 and 8? What is the relation between 4 and 8, Yalin Ftuni? What is the relation 4 and 8, teacher? Muhammad Isa. What is the relation between 4 and 8?
What يا ماس؟
What is the relation between 4 and 8? So, Muhammad Isa, what is the relation between 4 and 8?
Discover.
What?
شو يا ماس؟
What the meaning of 4? I will move to Hadi Yunus. Yes, Hadi Yunus. What is the relation between 4 and 8?
Times 2.
Times 2. So, the radius is 4 and the diameter is 8. So, what is the relation between diameter and radius? So, the diameter is equal to radius times 2. And what the meaning of a diameter? As you see in this figure, A and B are on the circle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. When the 2 points are on the circle and a segment passing through the center, it will be a diameter. So the definition of a diameter is a segment whose extremities are 2 points on the circle, but there is a condition, are 2 points on the circle and passing through the center. If the segment doesn't pass through the center, it cannot be a diameter, it will be a chord. So always the diameter should pass through a center. I can draw another diameter in this circle. I can draw many diameters in one circle. Look, I can draw many diameters in this circle by passing through the center, teacher. Now I want to draw another diameter and passing through the center. I can draw it just by passing through the center. Did you see? A diameter is a segment whose extremities are 2 points on the circle and passing through the center. Maybe the teacher mark a point here. I will write C here and D. Maybe the teacher put a point here and it's E. And she said for you, continue EF to get a diameter. What should I do? I should teacher, let the segment pass through, O. I will get my ruler. I will join EO and I elongate it till I cut the circle from the other way. So now the definition of a diameter is a segment whose extremities are 2 points on the circle and passing through the center. If the segment doesn't pass through the center, it cannot be a diameter, teacher. It cannot be a diameter. It should pass through what? Through O. Let make diameter EF. EF. That's it. EF. And if you look to this figure, OA is a what, ya teacher? Who wants to tell me? OA is a what, ya Fatima Zaidan? OA is a what?
It's a
Very good.
radius.
Yes, very good. Radius. OB.
Me.
Yes. OB.
Radius.
Also radius. And OC also radius. And OE also radius. And OD also radius. And OF is also radius. Who can tell me the measure of each radius in this circle? What is the measure of each radius in this circle?
اليو دي هاي اللي بتنتهي
Yes, Dimaon. Can you tell me the value of each radius here?
2.5.
No. What is the radius? It's from here. Oh, you got a big mistake. Yes, Katarji.
4 centimeter.
It's 4 centimeter. Yes, 4 centimeter. So look, I said for you that AB is a diameter. This is 4. And this is 4. 4 plus 4.
8.
8. So the radius is 4. If you see radius, I will write it as a letter R, symbol of it, 4 centimeter. And diameter by D, diameter equal 8. So what is the relation between 4 and 8? I said you before that 4 times 2 give me what?
8.
Give me 8.
8.
So the radius,
8.
the diameter is the double. What the meaning of double times 2? The word double, that's mean times 2. Is the
Times
double
2.
of the radius. Is the double of the radius. Always the diameter for radius times 2. Okay, teacher? So, there is a rule here set for us that the diameter equal radius times 2. Don't forget it. Type. Who wants to tell me if the diameter, Hamad Isa, if the diameter equal radius times 2, if I want to switch this relation and get the radius equal to what? بالنسبة للdiameter يا miss. If I want to switch it.
نص diameter.
So is the half.
The half of the diameter.
Very good. So the rule of the radius is diameter divide 2. You should memorize it. Diameter equal radius times 2. The radius, if I give you the diameter and I want from you to get the radius, you should divide it by 2. And if I give you the radius and I want from you to get the diameter, you should make times 2. And if you look to this figure, all of them are equal. I will put this coded information on it. Are equal all 4 centimeter. All they are equal 4 centimeter. So if you can see, all of them are equal 4 centimeter. And also OD here 4 centimeter. OC also 4 centimeter. So the diameter CD is equal also 8. The diameter EF is equal also 8. The diameter BA is equal also 8. And I can draw many diameter in a circle by using what? 2 points on the circle and should pass through the center. This is the diameter. This is the diameter. Now I want to tell you what the meaning of a chord. Teacher, a chord, it's a segment. It's a segment. Just join 2 points on the circle. Like that. BF, BC, CE. Just 2 points. EA, AD, DF. These are the chords in this circle. Since they are
بس
just 2
نسطرهم مع
points,
بعض.
just since they are 2 points on the circle. Just they are 2 points on the circle. So, the definition of a diameter, it differs by the difference between it and the chord. The diameter passes through the center. The chord, it doesn't pass through the center. And I can say about the definition of a diameter that the diameter is a chord but passing through the center. And a chord, that means